Hey Darren, how's it going, my friend? This is Corey Schneider. I sent you a video about a week ago, giving you guys a couple free tips. Anyways, wanted to shoot you over another quick video here and just talk to you a little bit more about your guys' SEO on your website. And yeah, just give you guys a couple more recommendations here that'll hopefully help you out and you can apply. Okay, let's get right into it. This video will probably not be as long, but what I did is I put together this PDF and laid out this, me and my team, a report, a website report, a social media analysis, and a competitor analysis with the top three guys that you're competing with that are at the top of Google for Spokane window tinting, Spokane auto window tinting. Any of those variation keywords, they're glued to the top, okay? And what was crazy when I did this more research and put this together for you guys is you actually beat them in a lot of SEO. Look at this, okay? You came after we did our calculations, everything. You got a higher score than the three guys ahead of you. Man, I would love to just like get a hold of your website and do a little bit of ongoing stuff too, because man, you could just tweak a few things and do some ongoing stuff and literally just be glued above your competition, just raking in the leads instead of them. But anyways, that's a whole nother thing. But I just wanted to show you this here. This is your SEO score. It's based on social shares, speed score, traffic, and all the above. And you actually outbeat them even though you're on second or third page of Google. So man, it would only take a few tweaks to really fix it up. But anyways, I'm just going to go through here and start out with the competitor analysis since I came over to this. And essentially, this is what it all shows you. See, you're here, competitor, competitor, competitor. Okay, so what this means, you're probably wondering, well, how in the heck am I not above them, or why am I not getting more rewarded by Google if my SEO is better, if my website's better optimized? Well, that's a good question, and the answer is because there's so many factors that come into play, and this just judged it on speed and a couple things. So although you are good in some realms, that's good and it's a head start. You would only have to do a few things here and there that I talked about in the first video, as well as some more stuff into the backlinking and the boats that I talked about. I can shoot that in another video as well too. But you would just need to do a few things here and there to skyrocket above them. So with that being said, essentially they have that back end stuff more in lock than you do, okay? So even though you got a better score here, they got a few more things going on the back end on an ongoing basis to keep them glued in those money spot positions and raking in all the clients, okay? So this just shows you what the main keywords are throughout your guys' site, what you've used, some errors and whatnot. And then social shares is a huge thing these days. And although you have some good like Google Plus social shares and some Facebooks, but your competition over here, you're actually beating these two guys. But this guy is just raking in the house on he's killing it on the social shares. So anyways, try and get out into your social media, get more out there. Get some unique creative posts going, get people sharing and liking it, and that's going to help you too, okay? So this is the SEO competitor analysis right there, okay? And then what I'm going to do is go to social media here really quick, okay? And this just kind of lays out the social media more in a little better graph, specifically on your site, okay? So you got, 10 post shares here, Twitter 1, Google you're doing really great on, Google likes that, so keep going with the Google Plus. And this just shows you your index sites as well too, okay? So keep it up with the social like I already said. And the last thing I'll just go back to is what we started on is the website analyzer, okay? And your SEO score is a B, so better than your competitions. But like I said, just keep on with that social, and the backlinking process is a little harder like I explained in that first video. If you want me to shoot you another video on that, let me know. But essentially this is what your site's looking on your tablet or your phone, okay? It looks pretty good. You're pretty optimized for that. And just remember, you want to keep all your port and stuff above this fold. So if you ever, it's good you have your phone number up there, maybe even get your address above. Oh, you have your address above that, so you're doing good there. So it's looking all good and everything. The only thing I'd have to say on this really quick, and then I'll get off this video right now, is header 1 tags. These are tags, and there's header 1, header 2, header 3 throughout the main body, the main page of your website, your own page. and you want to set, these are a little scrambled, and that's why you got these warnings. Our team came up with these warnings for you. Is you want to have a variation of your keyword or the name of your site in your header one. Right now you just have call today. So there's a way to organize this in your back office of your website, and if it's set up with WordPress. But essentially go in there and fix that, and put in some keywords that you're going after, but not just the exact keywords. You want to put you want to integrate, you want to put it in a way where it's natural. I can touch more on that in another video if you want me to elaborate. But essentially fix those up and you'll be dancing. But yeah, that's all I got for you. I wanted to put this together, and you see right here the 2 backlinks. These are, and they might not even be that authoritative. So even though you're winning the SEO score, your competition has a lot more of these from authority sites, and Google likes that. Remember, those are votes. So with that said, that's all I got for you. But essentially, man, just do a few tweaks, do what I said in that first video, or if you can't figure it out and you want me to do some ongoing work with this, I'd be more than happy to. I can get you up in your dialed freaking in. I can get you here and just boom, raking in those clients. But with that said, if you don't want it, like I said, once again, it's no worries. I just wanted to show you this quick report. And if you want me to send you the PDFs of each of these, there's a PDF I have for this, a PDF, and a PDF for this. I'll email them over to you, and you can look through them yourselves if you want to. It's up to you. With that said, that's all I got, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, Darren.